Todd Olheiser here. I want to wish everyone a happy Concrete Day at the Capitol. Even though we can't be there in person, we still wanted to thank you for all your efforts that you do day in and day out. Personally want to thank the Governor and all the members of the General Assembly for all you do for us. I never thought I'd be addressing the General Assembly with a bandana with a coffee filter inside, but that's my mask. Now here's a few words from some of the other members of our group.
On behalf of the concrete pavement industry, thank you to Governor Polis, the Colorado state legislators, and all of the employees in the concrete industry.
Hi, this is Brian Schramm with the Concrete Pipe Division of Rinker Materials, and I'm based out of the Littleton Pipe Plant. To the Colorado Legislature, we appreciate your effort and your hard work and dedication. Keep up the good work. Thank you.
I would like to say thank you to the Governor and our legislators and all of our industry members for your support of the concrete pavement industry.
Thank you for your hard work. I really appreciate it.
Y'all are awesome. Thank you.
Thank you.